I'll try and land right on top of the Evangelical.
No,
Come
you
here.
don't want to
Come here.
let.
Come
You're
here. Come
you're
here. Come
going
here.
to meet us somewhere else,
Okay, just shoot me the
anywhere else.
postal. Yeah, just shoot me the
I
postal.
just meet us at the
Come here.
Sandy Shores Airfield.
All right, that sounds good.
All right.
If this goes south, I'll let you know.
Yeah, let
We're
us know.
doing a distraction to help you guys out a little bit.
Jewelry's on cooldown.
Not anymore.
No?
Nope.
It's blue on mine.
Well, I do not have a helicopter. It will not let me lockpick it.
What?
Will not let me lockpick it, but I think another one's flying in. Maybe I'll just shoot the driver.
Hey, go just past the driver's side door and you can lockpick it.
I'm in. Heading to Sandy.
Thank you.
We might not be going far. This fucker's on E.
You're on your own with that one, bud.
I'm gonna try and land at a gas station and get put gas in it. The one out there by Sandy, wherever that other repair shop, I think I could do it there.
It's a pretty terrible idea if it was me, but I mean, if that's what you want to try, by all means.
Yeah, fuck it. It's right there by the airstrip. Nope, not gonna make it. Running out of gas. And dead. What the fuck?